November 22nd, 2011. We're doing kind of a backup video to the last one about the sun's atmospheric compression effects on the Earth. And I want to show you, let's go back there. I want to show you that map. You come right here. This is the global real-time ionospheric map. Now this is where we had our earthquake in Bolivia. In the gray here is where we have our volcano. And notice the color scale. Light gray is the strongest, dark gray is next, and your pink is the next. Now this pink went all the way up into the United States, into the tip of Canada right there. That includes Yellowstone. Now hold on. Coming back to the main page, we have a Yellowstone map for their earthquakes. It's right there. Now also we've updated the El Hero webcam page, that they've added a new high-def camera. We've also updated the Volcano Cam page right there. If you go to Volcano Cams, you'll see that we have the Fuego, all the Chile volcanoes. Fuego is the one that erupted earlier today. So you got to watch that. There's a lot in Chile that has to be watched. But I want to go back to Yellowstone. We'll go back here. Now, pulling this down, right there you'll see Yellowstone quake. And when you go here, it does not automatically refresh itself. So you'll have to come up to right there and click on right now. And you'll start to see the effects of this ionospheric compression today all the way into Yellowstone. You've got Old Faithful right there. Let's take a look at it. And you can see there's a quake there. Two small jolts, a strong sustaining quake. Here in the green, a strong quake. And the black line is the next one after the green, which shows you that you had a harmonic tremor with another jolt, and the harmonic tremor continued for a long time. But that compression of the sun is the strongest in probably 6 weeks. If you look back on that Russian neutron monitor, you can see the days. So again, today's is young. We're still in the peak of that solar activity and that neutron blast. And going back, you can check throughout the Yellowstone Park at the different recorders that they have. Moose Creek was hit. Let's take a look at that. Very strong right there. You have the same information registered here that you did at Old Faithful. Hold on. Now these are the latest images from Soho on the C2 camera. They go from, I think, the 18th, excuse me, to today, the 22nd. We'll let this play through. There's the compression there on the 21st that we're feeling. The sun is still active. You see these blasts. It takes a couple of days for that compression effect on some of these solar flares to reach the Earth. We'll play this one more time. Extremely strong compressive blast. I'll show you another image of this right there. I'm going to stop that and step it. We're going to go back forward with this. That's a lot of energy. And as this wave hits the Earth, that's what compresses the atmosphere. I'm going to play through. Now I want to show you an image from stereo. Now on the stereo A camera, this is the 512 lens. You have Earth and Jupiter here. This is that compressive wave. Notice today's date. This is up to date on these images. It's not like SETI that takes 2 days. This is only 6 frames. We'll play it through. My point is here, this compressive wave is already affecting the Earth's atmosphere, and it's not all the way on us yet. Play it through. Hold on. Now I know a lot of you guys know this, but I get a lot of emails asking, well, this is the image we were looking at, and if you come to the top of the page, this is your stereo link. It says stereo A and B on the website. You can come and click right there. It says what planets are currently visible. Click that. Then as you scan back down, the ones that are visible, it will show you there's Earth and Jupiter there. Now this is the latest image from Boulder, from the GOES satellite, and you can see that this is becoming very active. This is Earth facing, so you've got flares in an almost continuous circle, both high and low, and looking at the arc on that, you can tell the strength of it. We did a video yesterday called The Effects of a CME. Check that out. But anyway, this is a quick update, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.